Tim Burkhart with Green Industries here. Today we're going to be reviewing one of my favorite lawnmowers, Wright ZK 72 with the dual wheel kit. This is a Gen 3 model, so I'm going to be showing you some of the new features of this unit. First, we're going to start off with the brand new Evo engine. It's a new offering with Wright, it's a new offering with Kawasaki, and we're excited to show it off on the ZK here. It's 34.5. Kawasaki's first fuel-injected engine to be built from the ground up. Everything else was designed around a carburetor platform option. It was designed by Kawasaki to be as fuel efficient as possible while maintaining as much power as possible. So they designed a 3-valve engine, which helps them be able to do that. And then additionally, there's 8 mounting bolts on this engine. 4 of them are through bolts, really sturdy. The ZK is available in 3 deck sizes, the 52, 61, and the 72. We have the 72 here, obviously, with the dual wheel kit, but the 52 and 61 are also available. There's 2 engine options now with the ZK. They're EFI models only. The Evo and then the 40 horsepower Vanguard. Another neat change that they did was on the deck suspension. So what holds the deck up here, they flipped this to be able to make it easy to adjust on the fly. So you can adjust your deck pitch, your deck level, all of that very simply with cranking it from the top versus, removing these and then kind of adjusting it down there. They changed the hydraulic line routing, how that goes through. The fuel lines, the electrical lines are routed a lot tighter and neater. Another new design is the pad and the platform. The pad, it just wider, seems like it's a little bit more bolstering. The other thing is instead of flipping up, it can just come right out. The hydraulic reservoirs are larger than the previous generation. They made it larger for slosh resistance, and they added a vent line up top for quicker hydraulic changes. Underneath the mower, they changed the position of the idler arm for the hydraulic belt to make it a lot easier to change that hydraulic belt when it breaks. They've changed up the instrument panel a little bit. Same overall design, but they added a 12-volt charging port. The key is a different type of key switch and electronic throttle, which is a lot smoother, no more throttle cables. It's really smooth going up and down. The deck lift mechanism, they added a spring for helping assist lifting up this deck. It's very easy up and down. It's extremely simple. I can almost do it with a finger. We also got a new 3-gallon trash bucket as opposed to a little basket with a nice mesh, like bungee type cover to allow, keep your trash from flying out. So you might be asking, if you have not seen this before, why the dual wheel kit? Everybody wants to be able to cut the steepest slope possible while also doing it safely. So Wright designed the dual wheel kit, and it really helps them create that. And you'll see us cutting some hills and seeing how stable it really is on hills, but it makes a world of a difference. And Wright really did a good job creating that. It also is available in dual twheels. This mower is available in regular twheels as well, but the added dual wheels or dual twheel kits really helps with hill stability. All right, well, that was it for the updates. Now we're going to test cut quality and hill stability and see how she does. We just finished up cutting. The grass is considerably thick and it mowed right through it. There's really not a ton of thatch. It really dispersed it really well, discharged it really well. Certain spots I was mowing full stick and it plowed right through it. So I'm really impressed with the engine, with the power. So looking at the cut quality, it's striping weeds, which is neat. Really not a lot of leftover stragglers for this application. I mean, there's absolutely no need for double cutting, which you can't say for certain decks. So it really performed well considering what I'm mowing, how fast I was mowing. So next we're gonna put this mower to the test. We're cutting a really steep hill here. It starts at the bottom of the base right around 20 degrees. This mower is capable of doing up to 30 degrees. This is a 30-degree slope. It's a bumpy 30-degree slope with, and it's very sandy and dry. So we'll see what it actually can do. So I can say with confidence that no other mower other than a walk behind would be capable of doing that. It started to slip out a little bit when it was really getting steep and sandy, but it held the whole thing all the way up. I truly believe there's not a mower out there that can do this other than a walk behind. So if you need something for hill stability, this is the ticket. All right, guys, we're Green Industries. This is the Wright 72 ZK review. If you want to see more content like this, please like and subscribe, follow us on social media. Appreciate it.